Welcome back to Passionately Catholic. Why pray? What's the big deal with prayer? Okay, why make such a fuss about it? Here's the thing. A lot of times with our faith and our religion, we can think about it in terms of the nitty-gritty, the details, like the morality, like do this, you have to do this, or don't do that. Okay, you know, religions are going to have different festivals, maybe, different feast days, certain special things, you know, whatever. And sometimes we just get caught up in the doing, and we forget that we're not human doings, that we're actually human beings, and that the spiritual life is absolutely essential to all of this stuff. Like all of those, the things that do this, don't do that, like all of that's about building our relationship with God. Really, our faith, our Catholic faith, is about building a relationship with God. Now let me ask you, think of your best friend, okay, your absolute best friend, maybe it's your spouse, you know, maybe friend in college, high school, you know, whatever. Okay, whoever your best friend is, how often do you communicate with your absolute best friend? Is it at least every hour? You know, is it at least every day? You know, how much of a time investment have you put into your relationship, maybe over the years, over the last year, or however long you've known this person? How much time and energy have you invested in that relationship? Now, here's the thing. A lot of times we invest way more time and energy in terms of our best friend or people around us than we do God, which is the most important relationship we have, the most sacred relationship we can possibly have. So prayer, my friends, and there are so many different kinds of prayer. Like sometimes Catholics will say, yeah, you know, I just can't pray. Well, there are, within the Catholic tradition, there are dozens of different forms of prayer that we can engage in, and some that work better for certain personalities and some that work better for other personalities. Okay, some people like some quiet reflection time, and they might like adoration, or they might like a rosary or novenas. You know, some people get a little bit more excited and they might like charismatic prayer or praise and worship devotion. Okay, like there's all kinds of different things that we can do as Catholics that fit all kinds of different spiritualities. And remember that the saints that we have in our church, they were a plethora of various personalities as well. So they all had different kinds of prayer forms. It's important to engage in different kinds of prayer so that we're aware of how to do them and engage in them. But here's the big thing that I would encourage myself and you with today, is that with our prayer life, to think about it as a relationship with God. And when we engage in our prayer, let's share from our hearts. Let's just not just say rote prayers. Rote prayers are necessary. It's great to have rote prayers based on sacred scripture, based on even rote prayers that come from ourselves. Like even denominations, Christian denominations that say, oh, I'm not going to say any memorized prayers. No, you know, no rote prayers. They say a lot of the same things over and over again. They end up having these rote little things that come into their prayer in terms of the beginning, the end, certain prayers that they're praying. It ends up being rote. That's part of who we are as human beings, okay? And there's a super beautiful thing, I think, about memorized rote prayer, is that when we're in a time of really great stress or trial, or I've even heard stories of people who are on their deathbed who aren't speaking anymore, aren't even conscious maybe, that the people around them will start praying a rosary, and then the lips of the person who's in the hospital bed will start to move to the Hail Mary or the Our Father. Why? Because as Catholics, when we do these devotions as well, the memorized rote prayers, they become part of who we are. And so many of them are loaded with sacred scripture and absolutely beautiful things, beautiful prayers. You know, Jesus gave us the Lord's Prayer. He said, when you pray, pray like this. Prayer should be about building relationship with God. Prayer should be about building a relationship with God. So just like I take time out of my day, my week, to spend time with my best friend, to connect with my family members, friends, loved ones, whatever it is, I need to do the same thing with God. That is absolutely vital, because that is the most precious and most sacred relationship in all of our lives. I hope this was useful to you. If it is, please subscribe, come back, join us for more Passionately Catholic content as we release it. And special thank you goes out to all of our patrons who make everything we do at Passionately Catholic possible. I wish you all God's blessings and peace, and I'll be in touch again very soon.